Hi friends, today I'm going to speak about a concept which is booming all over the world, and the name of the concept is Billion Money Smart Contract Decentralized Earning Program. Billion Money, why we need to choose Billion Money? There are four important reasons that we need to choose Billion Money. First of all, it's a decentralized system. Decentralized system means the whole system is put on a blockchain technology. Okay, the creators of the system have done a mathematical calculation, converted that calculation into a bytecode, and then uploaded on the blockchain technology. Now this blockchain technology runs on a decentralized way. Okay, decentralized means, say for example, if you take a website, it works on a very centralized way. It has a fixed server, so if the server gets crashed, the whole website gets crashed, right? But in blockchain technology, what happens is they have millions of servers all over the world. So once you upload the bytecode, it not only goes on one server, but it goes on millions of server. So anyone who has uploaded this bytecode, once the bytecode is gone on all the servers, the control of the developer does not remain on the system. In the same way, the creators of Billion Money have uploaded this. They have done a mathematical calculation and uploaded that whole calculation and the whole system in the form of bytecode on on the blockchain technology. And Billion Money is using Ethereum blockchain technology. Ethereum is the second ranking company in the whole world after Bitcoin in the cryptocurrency world. Okay, so it allows multinational companies like Kyber Network, Paxos Standard, USDC, Binance to use their blockchain technology. Okay, so in the same way, Billion Money is also using the blockchain technology of Ethereum. Okay, so once the creators of the system, the developers, or you can say admin, have uploaded this system on the Ethereum blockchain technology, the control of the owners does not, or the developers does not remain on the system. So they do not have any control on the people's money. Second, they do not have any control on the compensation plan. They cannot change the compensation plan. And third is, they cannot shut down the system, because the system, since it is on the blockchain, is going to run till the time the blockchain technology is available. And everyone knows that the blockchain technology is the future technology. Okay, so this system can shut down only if the blockchain technology shuts down, or you can say the Ethereum blockchain technology shuts down, but that is impossible. Okay, so if you start the system today, if you start working on this concept today, okay, it will benefit it to you, but it would also be benefited to your children and your children and their children as well. Okay, you can see over here on the left side there is written in the red, impossible to scam. Impossible to scam because if you want to work with Ethereum, you need to create a smart contract with them. Okay, and that smart contract has to be verified. So Billion Money smart contract is a verified open source contract, and the code is in an exact match state. Okay, so this comes to with this, you can understand that there is 0% chances of scam in Billion Money. If the contract is not verified, there are chances of scam and fraud happening in that type of concept. But Billion Money smart contract is completely verified contract. Okay, an open source contract. I'll be making one more video to explain you, to show you how this contract looks, and what are the how there is like 0% chances of scam in that concept. Here the success is guaranteed because the income plan is designed in such a way that everyone who joins Billion Money will make money. Even if he doesn't work, he will make money, but it will be very slow process. But if he works, it will be the process will be super fast, so he will be making money super fast, in a super fast way. Okay, and since the whole system is on the blockchain technology, so as it is going to run for a very long time, so the chances of success are more, because even if you work slowly, it might take 1 year or 5 years or 10 years, but you will become successful if you keep working hard and just follow the system. All right, the second reason is the third reason is global acceptance. Blockchain technology, is accepted globally. Okay, it's a globally accepted technology in each and every country in the whole world uses blockchain technology now. Okay, so since it is globally accepted, Billion Money also is working on the blockchain. So you can like sitting in India or any country, you can register anyone from any part of the world. Okay, any country. Open source contract, the system is very transparent. Okay, I have not seen any system, such transparent system, that here you can anytime check the number one ID, or you can check any IDs till now, whatever IDs have come into the system, you can check any IDs. And there is, you don't require any password. So this kind of transparency is there in this system. Okay, the fourth important point is that till now, whatever concepts we have done, we have worked on website, and all our commissions is to come in the e-wallet. Okay, what happens if the website shuts down? Do we get our money, or do our team members get their money? Till now, there is no way that once the website shuts down, you get your money. But over here, Billion Money doesn't work on website. We don't have a website. Okay, we work on the international wallets like MetaMask, Coinbase, Trust Wallet. These are international wallets where cryptocurrency, you can receive cryptocurrency from anyone, you can send it to anyone, or you can save it in the wallet. Okay, it is internationally accepted wallets. Okay, and it is not owned by Billion Money. It's a Ethereum based wallets. And our Billion Money has a decentralized app, okay, which gets linked with this wallets, and you can register only by entering into this wallet and then registering. And if you want to log in into your ID, you have to enter into Trust Wallet or any other wallet like MetaMask or Coinbase to do your login. But what I want to say is, like, if by any chance the decentralized app of Billion Money crashes, okay, you don't have to worry, because you can still go ahead and withdraw your money from the Ethereum website, which is called etherscan.io, where all the multinational companies like USDC, Paxos Standard, Kyber Network, Binance work. Okay, so you can go ahead, your people also can withdraw by just clicking on one button. All right, and what I want to tell you is, like, in Billion Money, three things we do. One is registration, one is level purchase, and the third is withdrawal. So all these three things you can do it in the Ethereum website as well. So any concept that we are doing today, if we know that our money and our team members or our people money is safe, so everyone should do Billion Money. And it's a challenge. There is no other system in the market which allows you to go ahead and withdraw your money from the Ethereum website. This is the first concept, Billion Money, which allows that thing. Okay, it's a challenge. You can do your research on your own. Billion Money is the fastest, easiest, and a risk-free way to earn $1 billion every 180 days, friends. Okay, the advantages of Billion Money is that you can work from home. Now, as you know, the lockdown is going on, and when it is going to open, we don't know. And after the lockdown opens, what is going to happen? There's financial crisis all over the world. Okay, and people are going to lose job, recession is going to come, salaries are going to get cut down, business going to shut down. So tell me, friends, are you ready to do see all these things? If you're not, you should start working with us in Billion Money, and this will help you to add inflow of money. You can like have money flowing in your pockets. Okay, till the time the blockchain is open, till the time the lockdown is open, okay, you and your family will be having a smile on their faces, and your faces on your family members' face. There will be a beautiful smile. Okay, so you should join Billion Money and start working in Billion Money. There is, everything is on blockchain, as already explained. There is no withdrawal terms and conditions. You can withdraw $1 or you can withdraw millions of dollars 24/7. Okay, the main advantage of Billion Money is that we work on Paxos Standard coin. Okay, Paxos is a US regulated coin. It works same like the US dollar. The way the US dollar price remains stable, the same way the Pax is. Whatever the US dollar is, whatever the US dollar price is, the same will be the Pax price. Okay, so we work with a very stable currency. Okay, cryptocurrency. So you don't have to worry of your joining amount going high or there is your commission going low, because in other concept what happens is there is Ethereum and there is Bitcoin they are working with. So if the Bitcoin and Ethereum, there is a huge fluctuation whenever the prices go up or go down. So if the prices go up, your registration price will grow, the package price will go up, and if the price goes down, your commission will decrease. um, as I already explained that you need to have, if you want to start building money, you need to have you need to register any one of these three wallets: Coinbase, MetaMask, or Trust Wallet. Okay, and our decentralized app of Billion Money gets linked with this any one wallet, and you can start your Billion Money system concept. Okay, the joining amount in this system is 2500 rupees. Okay, which is like 20 packs, which comes $20 plus $10 of Ethereum. Okay, why we need Ethereum? Because since this whole system is on a blockchain, and Trust Wallet is any other wallet like MetaMask or Coinbase, they are Ethereum based wallets. So whenever there is a transaction happening, the miners, they deduct the transaction fees through Ethereum coins. Okay, there are 5 types of income in this Billion Money concept: level buy income, auto pool income, uni-level income, global dividend, and recycle income. So first we will go to the auto pool income. There are total 10 auto pool incomes. Friends, I would like to tell you that this is not an investment plan or ROI plan. Okay, this auto pool which is given to you depends totally on the business that is happening in the world. Okay, now once your ID is placed, once you register with the $20, your ID is placed, and there is certain calculation done. Okay, wherein once your ID is placed, whatever, this happens automatically. Okay, the system calculates. So whatever IDs after your ID, okay, is placed, whatever IDs fall under you from all over the world will come below you in a certain way. Like you can see on the left hand side level, okay, below that you can see 1 to 10. So it is calculated from 1 to 10 levels. Okay, and it is into multiplication of 3 by 3, 3 into 3 matrix. Okay, so first level, when 3 people are filled in the first matrix, first level matrix, you get $1.5. Second level matrix is 9 people, so you get $4.5. Third level is 27 people, so you get 10.80 cents, $10.80. Okay, so fourth level is 81 people, $24.30. So it keeps on growing. You can see in 10th level there are you need to have, the matrix will be filled with 59,049 people, and the total you will get is 42,979, is approximately $43,000. Indian rupees is 34 lakhs. Okay, there is no time limit for this. You can get it in 1 year, 1.5 year, 2 years, or more than that. It totally depends on the growth of the business. Okay, there are total 10 pools. Now I'll just explain you the first pool. Okay, because whenever you register with $20, you enter into pool number 1. The next nine pool I will be explaining once I explain the level purchase income. Level purchase income is a second income, which is a pure working income, and as I told you that this is not an investment plan or ROI plan. Okay, there is, like, this is completely a pure working plan. So level purchase income is a working plan, and over here what happens is, like, if you want the commission from your second level, you need to buy that level. Okay, how you need to buy, I'll explain you one by one. Like, the first time when you join Billion Money with $20, you are buying the level 1. Now to start this business, you need to start with 2 people. Okay, these are 2 people who have huge dream, and or they would like to earn, like, in 1 year's time or 1.5 years time, 1 year 20 cr, okay, or more than that. So we need 2 people like this, and we need to help them to reach their goal, and these 2 people should help 2 people to reach their goal. So you can see over here in the first level you need 2 people. These 2 people will get 2 people, so it's four people in the second level. In the third level it's 8 people, fourth level is 16 people, and the fifth level is 32. So total we need we need to work for 5 levels. Okay, so when you sign up, you buy the level 1 with $20. So in the level 1 you get 2 people. Okay, when these 2 people fall below you, you get $10 each. Also you get $2 of the uni level income. Okay, so total you get $22. So system says that $2 you need to keep in your pocket, that's your profit. $20 you need to buy the second level. In second level you see 4 people come in the second level, and these 4 people, when they buy their second level, you get $15 each. Okay, so total is $60. System tells you that keep $20 in your pocket, $40 you need to buy the third level. Okay, in third level 8 people fall. Okay, so 8 people, when they buy the third level, you get $30 each. Total is $240. From this, $100 is your profit. $140 you need to buy the fourth level. In fourth level, total 16 people come. Okay, 16 people, when they buy the fourth level, you get $120 each. Okay, so total is $1,920. Okay, from this, system says the profit is $1,320. Remaining $600 you need to buy the fifth level. Okay, 32 people fall. Okay, so when these 32 people buy their fifth level, you get $500 each, a total of $16,000. Okay, Indian rupees is 12,80,000 rupees. Okay, it's a huge income, my dear friends, starting with 2,500. Okay, this system gives you an opportunity to reach up to 12,80,000 in just fifth level. Okay, so you need to work hard on these 5 levels, and the key point in this is, you can say the mantra over here is, you need to keep buying your levels. If you don't buy your levels, it's like cutting the hen which is giving you golden eggs. Okay, so over here you see, when you get in the fifth level $16,000, what you need to do is $5,000 you need to buy the sixth level. Now in this sixth level, you see the phase 2 starts, and there are 2 people, okay, in the sixth level. But who are these 2 people? These two people are the same people who paid you $20 in the first level. Okay, so these same 2 people who paid you first level $20, the same 2 people will pay you in the 7th level. They will pay, in the 6th level they will pay you $4,700, or total of $9,400, which comes to 7,52,000 rupees. Okay, now from this you need to again buy the 7th level for $5,500. Okay, in this 4 people, these are the same 4 people which paid you $60 in the second level. These 4 people will be paying you $20,000 in the 7th level, which is like 16 lakh rupees. Okay, from this 16 lakhs, okay, you need to buy the 8th level, which is for $10,000. In this 8th level, third level, 8 people who had paid you $240 are the same people who will pay you in the 8th level. These 8 people will pay you $72,000, which is 57,60,000 rupees. Okay, and from this you need to buy the 9th level for $20,000. In this, in the 4th level, the 16 people who had paid you $1920, that's $1,920, will pay you $2,88,000, which is like 2,30,40,000 rupees. Okay, again you have to buy the 10th level $40,000. In this, 32 people are the same people who had paid you 12,80,000, or you can say $16,000 in the 5th level, are the same people who will pay you 11,20,000, which comes to 8,96 lakhs, which comes to approximately 7 crore. Okay, so total you are making 12 crores 22 lakhs 11,200 rupees. Huge income, my dear friends, just for 2005, just by starting with 2,500. Okay, so here I come back, like I said, I told you that there are total 10 auto pools. Okay, so I'll be explaining you now. What happens is, when you join the system with $20, you buy the level 1, so you get into auto pool number 1, where you get an auto pool of 34 lakhs. When you buy the level 2 for $20, you enter into auto pool 2, where you get 43 lakhs auto pool. When you buy the third level for $40, you enter into third auto pool, which is 86 lakhs. And when you buy the fourth auto pool for $140, you buy the fourth level for $140, you enter into auto pool number 4, where you get 1,71 lakhs. Okay, and when you buy the fifth level for $600, you enter into auto pool number 5, where you get 8,60 lakhs. Okay, then when you buy the sixth level you enter into sixth auto pool, where you get 26 approximately 26 crores. Okay, when you buy the level 7, you enter into auto pool number 7, where you get approximately 43 crores. When you buy the 8th level, you enter into auto pool number 8, where you get approximately 86 crores. When you buy the 9th level, you go into 9th auto pool, which you get 172 crores approximately. Okay, and when you buy the 10th level, you go into 10th auto pool, where you get 430 crores, my dear friend. So huge income. If you see, calculate the 10 pools, auto pools, you're getting 768 crores, my dear friend. Even if you get this 768 crores in 5 years time, or 10 years, or 15 years, or 20 years, it becomes a huge income, my dear friend. Okay, so there are many people who are working for 50 years, 60 years, still they don't have one single rupee of savings in their account. Over here we are talking about such a big huge amount of 768 cr, my dear friend. So these 768 cr are what all you can do. You can buy a house, you can buy a car, you can have your children educated, make them doctors, engineer, or whatever you would like. You could take your family to international countries. A lot of things you can do with this money, my dear friends. Okay, so I come to the third income, or uni level bonus. Uni level bonus, the first level you get 5%, second level you get 3%, third level you get 2%, fourth to 10th level you get 1%, 11th to 20th level you get 0.5%. Okay, so total you get it for 20 levels. It starts with, first level starts with 2 people, then second 4, 8, 16, 32. It goes on to 20th level, which is like 10,48,576 people, and the total income that you can earn over here is 1 crore 67 lakhs 93,952 rupees. In dollars, this is 20,900. Sorry, it's 2,09,924 dollars, my dear friends. Approximately $2 lakh. Okay, so huge income. Global dividend, every day, whatever the turnover happens, 3% is removed by the system and distributed every 30 days. So what you have to do to become this global dividend achiever, you need to, instead of getting 2 people in your direct sponsoring, you need to get 10 people as your direct sponsored people. Okay, through your ID. So if you have 10 directs, okay, you become a global dividend pool achiever, and for lifetime, every month you will be getting this global dividend pool. Okay, recycle income. Recycle income is a huge income, my dear friend. What happens in this income is like it's like sowing a mango tree, putting water, putting fertilizers, and this mango tree grows, and then once it grows huge, it starts giving you mangoes every year, and every year they'll keep giving you the mangoes, right? In the same way is the recycle income. It's a huge income because whenever you buy the level, like you buy the first level for $20, the level's validity is 180 days, that's 6 months. Okay, after the validity gets over, you need to buy that level once again. So imagine if, like, in the 6 months you worked hard and you created a team of 10,000 people. Okay, so what happens is, once your validity is over, you have to buy the level of again. So you again reinvest $20. Okay, but at the same time, what happens is, the first time you had given your upline, the first level upline, $10. Again, after 6 months, you're doing the same thing, you are again giving $10. In the same way, your people, the 2 people, because after your validity gets over, their validity will get over, and they will again buy the level. So your first level 2 people who had paid you first time $22 will pay you again $22. The 4 people will pay you $60 again. 8 people will again pay you $240. 16 people will again pay you $1,920, and 32 people will again pay you $16,000, 12,80,000 again, and this will go until 10th level. And if you have, in 6 months you have completed your 10 levels, you will get approximately 12 crores, 12 crs, and this will happen every 6 months. Every 6 months you will keep getting the 12 cr. My dear friend, in this auto pool over here, we have a clone pool entry. So once again, after 6 months, when you buy the level 1, again you go into auto pool number 1. That means you will again be eligible to get the 34 lakhs, and the first auto pool will be also going on, and at the same time, simultaneously, even the second, the when you buy the level again after 6 months, the same auto pool will again be going on. So you will be getting a lot of auto pools. Okay, and one more most important advantage of recycle income is that, my dear friends, that many people say that in auto pool, when there is a huge people falling below you, like when the system grows, the last people who have joined will not get. But over here what happens, the last people who have joined, okay, and the above people, when their validity will get over, they will automatically fall below this last people, and they will also get. So each and every person who joining Billion Money will earn and will get the money, whether he's joining first or whether he's joining last, he will still get the auto pay. Alright, the summary of the income is like, if you work hard and you create a 20 level, you finish your 20 levels, so after that every 6 months you will be getting from the uni level, you will get $2 lakh, that is 1 crore 68 lakhs. Level purchase you will be getting $15 lakh, that is 12 crores 22 lakhs 11,200 rupees. And auto pool you will get like 768 crores approximately, and 9 lakhs 60,000 47, whatever this figure is like, you will get it. So total you will get in Indian rupees, if I say, is 768 crores. Okay, so it in dollars is 9 crores 60 lakhs 47,767 dollars. Okay, my dear friend, thank you very much for joining me in this video. Please, for more details you can contact the person who has sent you this video, and he will guide you ahead. Thank you.